that was my grandma's 2022 1.5 2-ton Goodman heat pump starting up in cool mode. And you guys tickle? It's from October 2022, and it's a two-ton, like I said, 14 seal. Now time to go so the thermostats.
T-Mobile home internet relies on cell phone towers, so internet first gets spectrum.
Yeah, see, has the same thermostat I have at home, and it's the same that my aunt that has that two-story home with the upstairs unit. See how this such a 71 today, which actually is usually she has it on 70, so this is actually new for me to see. But yeah, and I also figured why not sell the air handle since it's right there on the hall. But yeah. This was actually, I remember the day this was installed. It was installed July 3rd, 2023. Well, actually it was installed on that day, but it got turned on in the evening. As always, HVAC guys could tell, as the people that are into HVAC can tell, it has a world of weed. The reason I'm so far away from the units because the corridor is right where I was, you understand. I would go down there. I would hear the pressing noise, but like I said, this is in the way. Oh wait, you guys, I'm sorry. I just realized I'm not filming I just realized I'm not filming horizontal. I just wouldn't notice it. I'm sorry, guys. Next time I will remember to film horizontally. I just got so used to filming vertically when I didn't have a channel. So I'm always filming vertically by accident now. This rain is over there. Color's actually getting dirty. That's not good at all. The coil is bent, which will definitely cause issues. all the way down on that house and goes to the Alejandro. And I just got a bit of water on me. The yogurt doesn't even look shiny. It doesn't even look that shiny from here when it looks kind of pinkish in the video, even though it's wet. Well, when I bent down like this, it kind of looks pink. Dale actually isn't that hard coming out of here. Not even hard at all. See, I don't see. Forget what I was just about to say. I can feel the help from right up here. Oops. It's about 71. It's like 71 degrees out here right now, but it's humid. And it's almost 11 a.m. It's almost 11 a.m. The high today is 84 degrees over here, where I'm at. And there goes the unit turning off. I don't know if it came out in the video, but I just got startled by it. If my camera focus out, you'll see the compressor in there. My camera ain't focusing, so anyway, that's the end, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.